Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to get TubeBuddy Pro or Legend for free. Right, so if you want to try out TubeBuddy Pro and Legend, there are multiple ways to get it for free and I'm gonna show you all of them. So first you have to sign up for a free account, and you can use the link in the description below to sign up for a TubeBuddy. And once you sign up for it, all you have to do is add your YouTube channel. If you sign in into the TubeBuddy account, click on add a channel and you're going to be able to add your YouTube channel to TubeBuddy. And once you have added your YouTube channel, all you have to do to get TubeBuddy Legend or Pro for free is to scroll down, and you're going to see this good news section here that your channel qualifies for free TubeBuddy sponsored upgrades. So click here. And as you can see, there are 5 ways to get TubeBuddy Legend or Pro for free. So you can sign up for the affiliate program, and if you refer enough people, you're gonna be able to get a free Legend upgrade or a free Pro upgrade. Then you also have the option to get a 30-day free trial. I've already completed this, so of course you can only use this once. You can also create a video about TubeBuddy and get up to 2 months free of the TubeBuddy Legend plan. You can also contribute in the community forum and get TubeBuddy Legend upgrades as well. But the easiest way is to complete a survey. So as you can see, if you complete this survey, you're gonna get a week of free TubeBuddy Legend upgrade. So if you want to do this, click on Start Task here. And then you have to go through this survey, and then you're going to be able to get TubeBuddy Legend for free for a week. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to try out TubeBuddy or learn more about how to use its features, I have a ton of tutorials on my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Make sure to check those out, and see you next time.